So I've been playing around with rendering point clouds inside of Unity, and I've found a pretty cool way to use compute shaders quickly. So basically it's just an implementation of this paper here. And I've just implemented it inside of Unity. So if you want a more detailed information how this technique works, just take a look at the paper. I found it actually it's pretty simple to implement and pretty powerful. So if you look at this point cloud here has like 8 million points and it renders in a few milliseconds. Yeah, and apart from this paper, I've just used PCX for importing PLY models into Unity. Yeah, here. And then inside of the script, I just load the mesh and convert it to a particle buffer and send this to the GPU. And then there's like a simple rendering pipeline. It's not implemented in the scriptable render pipeline. It's just a quick, dirty implementation of the paper. And it's really not optimized yet. In the paper, they use uint 64s and compress the color and depth even further. So they save a few interlocked adds and min operations. There's a lot more room for optimization, but even like this, it already works pretty well. And I just found this technique pretty elegant, so that you don't have to do much. If I wanted to do the same with like gl.points, it would be like a pretty similar amount of code. And this seems almost faster and a bit cleaner and simpler, I guess. One thing I'm not sure was in the paper is this is like it tries to expand points which are closer to the camera and hide the ones in the back. Otherwise, you get an effect like, if I disable it here, you can like see through the point cloud more. And if we enable this, yeah, it gets a lot more solid. And then there are some other parameters for like smoothing the color. But all of this is described in the paper. And like this expand thing was also in some other paper. I'm not sure I can find it right now. But it's all a pretty basic implementation. But I was just surprised how well it works, even just with such a low effort implementation. Yeah, maybe some of you will find this useful.